Viewers, myself Vikram Talwar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel, Astro Journey, A Divine Voice. We are here with the third part of our Indian time division. Viewers, Dinman, that is a day, is time from sunrise to sunset. Ratriman, that is a night, is, is the time from sunset to next sunrise. Usha Kal is the time before 5 ghadi before the sunrise, that is 2 hours. Friends, here I want to tell all of you that as per the Lal Kitab or Red Book, the time 2 hours before the sunrise is the time of Ketu Day, and from the sunrise to 8 o'clock is the time of Jupiter, Lord Jupiter, and from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock is the time of Lord Sun, and from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock during daytime is the time of Lord Moon, and from 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock is the time of Lord Venus. From 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock is the time for Lord Mars, and from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock is the time of Lord Mercury. 2 hours after the sunset is the time of Lord Rahu. But there is one condition, that there should not be any star in the sky. And after the sunset, when there is any star visible in the sky, is the time of Lord Saturn. Pratah Kal is the time 3 ghadi before the sunrise, that is 1 hour and 12 minutes. Sayankal is the time after sunset, 3 ghadi after the sunset, that is 1 hour 2 minutes. Friends, I want to correct here that Sayankal is the time 3 ghadi after the sunset, that is 1 hour 12 minutes. Pradosh Kal is the time 6 ghatis after the sunset, that is 2 hours 24 minutes. Nitish is the time of midnight, 2 ghati time of midnight, that is 48 minutes. 15 Ahoratra means 15 day and night, is called one Paksh or one Pakhwada or one fortnight in English. 2 Paksh or 2 fortnight makes 1 lunar month, and 2 month makes 1 season. 6 seasons combinedly makes 1 year, and 3 seasons is equal to 6 months or 1 ayan. 2 ayan makes 1 year. Friends, in Indian Vedic Jyotish, we use Vikrami Samvat, that came into existence before 57 years before the birth of Christ. It started on first lunar tithi, first lunar day of Chaitra month. Here it is important to note that Vikrami Samvat was started 57 years BC by the king of Ujjain, whose name is Vikramaditya, to celebrate his victory over the foreign invaders. In Indian Vedic system, Chandravarsh starts from waxing first Pratipada, that is first date of waxing moon of Chaitra month. Solar year consists of 365 days, 15 ghadis, 22 pulse and 57 vipal. And lunar month consists of 354 days, 22 ghadis, 1 pal and 23 vipals. There is difference of 10 days 53 ghadi and 21 and a half pal. In order to make adjustment between the solar and lunar month, in Indian Panchang system introduced the concept of Adhik Chandramas and Kshay Chandramas. Friends, every third year in the Indian Panchang system, friends, Adhik Chandramas there is no Surya Sakranti, and in Kshay Chandramas there falls two Surya Sakrantis. Kshay Chandramas is always falls in the month of Kartik, Marg and Po. And it is also important to note that Kshay Chandramas and Adhik Chandramas both falls in the same year. And as per the Indian Vedic Jyotish, it is prohibited to do any kind of occupacious event during the Kshay Chandramas or Adhik Chandramas. So viewers, if you like the information shared by me on Indian Time Division, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, namaskar, bye bye, see you in my next video.